Hi guys, how is everyone? Okay, I have 4 new baby kittens that are about a week old, and they are sweet as sugar. These babies, 2 of these babies are bobtailed. That one right there is bobtailed, and the one that is gray and black is bobtailed, naturally bobtailed. So their dad is bobtailed, and they're so sweet. They are growing like crazy. So Mama put them in the closet. So we will leave them alone for a little while and let them stay here. And I will do other videos showing their progress. Thank you so much. Bye bye.